Great recipe for coughing and bronchitis, mixing history and preparing only 3 ingredients. Cough syrups and pills can work when you're sick. However, it's possible not to get sick with the mixture you prepare at home. You'll never have to drink cough syrup from bitter taste as well. You'll get rid of bronchitis and dry cough thanks to the wonderful harmony of bananas and honey and the benefit to your health. Best of all, the mixture tastes great compared to cough syrup. You'll need this mix as winter makes you feel slowly. There's no harm in trying. Materials: 400 milliliters of warm water, 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons honey. Preparation: 1. Peel the bananas and crush them with a plastic spoon. Do not crush the bananas with a metal spoon. When the fruit comes into contact with metal, the fruit may deteriorate quickly and be harmful to your health. 2. Place the bananas in a ceramic or glass bowl and add warm water. Let it rest for 30 minutes. 3. After the mixture is cooled, add honey. Make sure the mixture cools thoroughly because honey will lose its nutrient if it comes into contact with hot water. 4. Our natural mixture against cough and bronchitis is ready. For the mixture, provided that there's no more than 100 milliliters 4 times a day. Please note that you need to drink the mixture 5 days a week and the recipe is only for 1 day. Instead of taking expensive medicines, try a homemade, natural, and healthy mix. Don't forget to share the mix with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive everything that's new.